The aftermath of the storm. So first, the aftermath of the 50-mile-per-hour windstorm. First, my tomato plant, this cage for it got bent, and now it's kind of like slanted. And then I just piled up that pile of leaves. If we go over here, we had to wet down these leaves so they didn't blow away on our neighbor's yard. And then that big trash mountain are leaves that we raked yesterday before the storm because they would blow all over our yard. So that's what happened after the storm, I guess. The aftermath. A bit more too, but it wasn't that bad.